One of your requirements for creative writing this year will be to create and keep up with a blog. This will be an outlet for you to talk about pretty much anything you wish to talk about and to write about anything that you wish to write about. We will be using EduBlogs as a free educational blog software program to create our blogs. It does allow you some flexibility, but it also makes sure that we do not have inappropriate ads and those kinds of things on it. So I would appreciate it if that is the software that you use for your blog for this class. Today, for your direct instruction, I'm going to go over how to create your blog and create your account, and also how your blogs are going to be graded. The first thing you'll want to do is to open a new tab in either Internet Explorer or Firefox. Once you've opened your tab, you'll want to go up to the address area and type in www.edublogs.org and hit enter. Once you are there, this is the screen you should see. This is the entrance screen. Down here, you will see the Get Your Free Blog Now, and you need to click on that. It'll ask you to fill in some details about yourself. The first thing you need to do is to choose a username. Please choose something appropriate. I would suggest the first letter of your first name and then your last name. I have already created an account, so I'm going to use something else as my username. The email is optional. If you use your school email, you will not be able to receive any of the emails from EduBlogs. The only thing that the email address allows you to do is if you forget your password, it allows you to get your password sent to you or to reset your password. If you're not going to provide an alternative email other than your school email, I would suggest that you make sure you write your password down and you keep it somewhere, because if you lose it, there's no way for me to retrieve it for you. You will then need a password. Okay. It will ask you to put in your password and then confirm your password. Please make sure, like I said, that you write your password down and that is something that you can remember. Your blog domain. This will be the address that people will go to. I'm going to call mine NL Creative Writing. You can choose any domain. It could be your name. It could be this topic that you choose for your blog. All right? Whatever you choose. You also need to have a title for your blog. I am going to choose The World of Creative Writing. Most of the time, your blog title should reflect the kinds of things you're going to be writing about. The blog examples that I had you look at last week, there was the Sleepy Time gal. She does crafting after her kids are asleep, and that's what her is about. There was the Starring Scarlet blog, which was about the little girl Scarlet and her issues and her fight of cancer. Okay. Please leave the language to English so that I can read your blog. Under blog type, you need to choose student. Okay, you are a student, you need to create a student blog. Then there is the human verification question. They want to make sure that we are humans, and please answer that in the space provided. Please click I agree with the terms of service. If you read the terms of service and there's anything that you have an issue with, please make sure that you let me know and we will deal with that. Once you have filled in all of this information, you need to hit the Start Blogging button. Alright, so I did not realize that only lowercase letters and numbers are allowed. So I need to change this to a lowercase j. It will let you know if there's anything on here that you cannot use. I apologize for this taking so long. Alright, so now our new blog has been created. Congratulations, your new blog, Creative Writing at NL, has been created. This information right here, you need to keep. The blog URL you will need to send to me. Okay, so please make sure that you send your blog URL to me in an email or through an assignment. Okay. Then down here at the bottom, you need to press where it says log in to your new blog. Alright, once you are here, we have our dashboard. This dashboard allows you to see what blog you're on, and it displays your username, email, all of those things. Okay, there's also a place where you can get comments. Okay, over here you have a place where you can change the appearance of your blog. Alright, so if you want to go to themes, it shows you what the default theme is, and then there are a variety of other themes that you can pick from. Alright, you need to obviously choose something that you like, but it needs to be something that is readable. So and then some of them are not available because we have a free account. So you have to look at the ones that are available. And there are quite a few of them. Okay. I'm going to choose this one here. I like the colorfulness of it. So I am going to choose Activate for that one. Alright, so this is my new theme. Next, I have the options of widgets. And I can pick the widgets that I want. Okay. So if I would like pages, I can put that over there. If I want search, I can put that over there. I can also delete them. Alright. Menus. Let's see what's under menus. You can create custom menus. You can choose a preset background. Alright, maybe you would like and then you can also choose your header, and you can put any information up in your header that you would like about your blog. Maybe a little bit about you, maybe a little bit about what the point of your blog is. Okay. In order to view your blog, go up to the top of the screen, click on the name of your blog, and it will come up. Okay. And there are all kinds of things that you can change. At this point, I do not have any entries in my blog. If I want to add an entry, okay, I can go up here to New, Post, and it will give me an area to enter a title for my post. And an area for me to type my post. I strongly suggest that you type your posts in Word and then copy and paste them in here. If you start typing your blog entry in the Blogger and you lose power or you lose internet connection, there will be no way to save it. Okay? Once you have typed, you can go over here and you can either save as a draft, you can preview it, or you can go ahead and publish it. When you publish it, it becomes live and active on your blog. Okay. And then we can go back to our blog, and there we see our first post. Okay. You can also categorize your posts and add there are tons of things you can do with this Blogger, even though it is free. I do encourage you to look around and make your blog yours. All right. If you have any questions about setting up your blog, please make sure that you see me or that you message me so that I can help you. I think it will be pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy to use once we get into it. All right. The next thing I would like to do, if we have a little bit of time here, is to talk about the scoring rubric for your blog. Okay, this is the rubric which is on your in the assignment. You will be graded based upon meeting the deadline, mechanics, the length of your blog, making sure that it is focused and relevant, and that it is engaging and creative. All right, I am expecting that you have at least 2 separate blog posts by Friday at 3 p.m. Okay, if you do not have those, you will lose points. I am expecting that your blog will have no grammar, spelling, or punctuation errors, and that it's written in complete sentence. I am expecting that each blog will be a minimum of 2 complete paragraphs with at least 5 sentences in each. Your blog should be focused, organized, and related to your blog's purpose. Your blog can just be a rant. That is fine, but make sure that it follows that. I'm also expecting that your blogs exhibit your creativity and that your writing is engaging. Blogs are meant to make people want to read them. Okay. If you have any questions at all about how to set up your blog or how your blog is going to be graded, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good week and good luck.